Today, I'm gonna try to balance the Wiener Schnitzel corn dog on my nose. This is gonna be a difficult one because it's wobbly up here. Take the glasses off. On the nose, Wiener Schnitzel corn dog. Oh, very difficult. Let me see if I can go a little bit longer. Here we go. Oh, one more try. Here we go. It's so bulbous right here. The bulbous is bringing it over. I can't, the magnitude of the top heavy is really difficult. That's it. The Wiener Schnitzel corn dog. And now, the moment of truth. I'm gonna be honest. It's only my third corn dog ever. $3, worth every penny. Delightful. So it's not too much of the corn dog part, so it mixes in well. Love it.